வெல்கம் டு மை சேனல். நம்ம இன்றைக்கி பார்க்க போகிறது 8th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் சோஷியல் சயின்ஸ் ஜியாகிரஃபி 5th லெசன் ஹசார்ட்ஸ். ஃபஸ்ட் நம்ம பார்க்க போகிறது சூஸ் த கரெக்ட் ஆன்சர். ஃபஸ்ட்டு கொஷின் வந்து பார்த்திங்கன்னா டேஸ் பர்சன்டேஜ் ஆஃப் நைட்ரஜன் இஸ் ப்ரெசன்ட் இன் த ஏர். த கரெக்ட் ஆன்சர் இஸ் 78.09%. Second one, tsunami in Indian Ocean took place in the sea is 2004. In the year 2004. The word tsunami is derived from dash language. The correct answer is Japanese. The example of surface water is dash. The correct answer is lake. Event that occurs due to the failure of monsoon. The correct answer is drought. Fill in the blanks. டோட்டலாக உங்களுக்கு இதில் 5 questions இருக்குது. First one, hazards may lead to disaster. Landslide is an example of geologic or seismic hazard. On the basis of origin, hazard can be grouped into 8 categories. Terrorism is an example of human-induced hazard. Oxides of nitrogen are primary pollutants which affects the human beings. Chernobyl nuclear accident took place in 26th April 1986. மேட்ச் த ஃபாலோயிங் உங்களுக்கு கரெக்ட் ஆன்சர் நான் ஸ்ட்ரைட்டாக கொடுத்துருக்கேன். Primary pollutant, oxides of sulfur. Hazards waste, outdated drugs. Earthquake, tsunami. Meteorological drought, reduction in rainfall. Human induced hazard, terrorism. Answer the following in 2 marks. Define hazard. Hazard are defined as a thing, person, event or factor that poses a threat to people, structure or economic assets and which may cause a disaster. What are the major types of hazards? Atmospheric hazard, geologic seismic hazard, hydrologic hazard, volcanic hazard, environmental hazard, biological hazard, human induced hazard, technological hazard. Write a brief note on hazardous waste. The waste that may or tend to cause adverse health effects on the ecosystem and human beings are called hazardous waste. List out the major flood-prone areas of our country. The major flood-prone areas in north and northeast India are Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, North Bihar, West Bengal and Brahmaputra Valley. Coastal Andhra Pradesh, Odisha and southern Gujarat are the other regions which are also prone to flood often. Mention the types of drought. Drought could be classified into three types. They are meteorological drought, hydrological drought, agricultural drought. Why should not we construct houses on foothills? We should not construct house at foothills areas because it has a rapid downward movement of rocks and soil and vegetation down the slope under the influences of gravity which leads to landslides. Next one, distinguish between. அதில் உங்களுக்கு டோட்டலாக 3 questions இருக்குது. First one, hazards and disasters. Hazard, the natural hazard is the natural process, that event that is the potential threat to human life and property. Disaster is the hazardous event that occurs over a limited time span is the defined area and cause great damage to property or loss of life, also need assistance from others. Second one, natural hazard and human made hazard. Natural hazard, these are the result of natural process and man has no role to play in the such hazard. For example, earthquake, flood, cyclonic storms. Human made hazard, these are caused by undesirable activities of human. It can be the result of an accident such as an industrial chemical leak or oil spill. Example, pollution of air, water, land, etc. Flood and drought. Flood is an event in which a part of the earth's surface gets inundated. Any lack of water to satisfy the normal needs of agriculture, livestock, industry or human population may be termed as the drought. Heavy rainfall and large waves in seas are the common cause of flood. Drought in India occur in the event of failure of monsoon. Earthquake and tsunami. Earthquake is the violent tremor in the earth crust, sending out a series of shock waves and is in all directions from its place of origin. Tsunami refers to the huge ocean waves caused by the earthquake, landslide, or volcanic eruption. It is generally noticed in the coastal regions and travel between the 640 and 960 km per hour. Next one, answer the following in detail. உங்களுக்கு 4 questions இருக்குதுல. Write an essay on air pollution. Pollution of air. Air is a mixture of several gases. The main gases are nitrogen or forming such as fertilizer for plants and for making the air inert oxygen for breathing and carbon dioxide for photosynthesis. Nitrogen percentage 78.09, oxygen 20.95, carbon dioxide 0.03%. Some other gases like argon, neon, helium, krypton, hydrogen, xenon, and methane are also present. Air pollution is the contamination of the indoor or outdoor air by the range of gases. Air pollution can be categorized into primary and secondary pollutant. Primary pollutant is the air pollutant emitted directly from the source. Secondary pollutant is not directly emitted. Primary pollutant: oxides of sulfur, oxides of nitrogen, oxides of carbon, particulate matter, and other primary pollutants. Secondary pollutants are ground level ozone, smog. Define earthquake and list out the effect. Earthquake is a violent tremor in the earth's crust, sending out the series of shock waves in all directions from its place of origin. Effects of earthquake. Primary effects of earthquake are ground shaking, ground rupture, landslide, tsunami, soil liquefaction. Secondary effects of earthquake are fires. The effects of earthquake are terrible and devastating. Give a detailed explanation of the causes of landslides. Landslides is a rapid downward movement of rock, soil, and vegetation down the slope under the influence of gravity. The causes of landslides are wide ranging. They have two aspects in common: force of gravity and failure of soil. Landslides are considered into two types: naturally occurring disaster, human induced changes in the environment. Natural causes of landslides are climate changes, seismic activities, weathering, soil erosion. Forest fires, gravity, and volcanic eruption. Human causes of landslides include deforestation, mining, construction of roads and railways over the mountain. Elaborately discuss the effects of water pollution. Water pollution. Water pollution may be defined as an alteration into physical, chemical, and biological characteristics of water, which may cause harmful effects in human and aquatic life. In India, water pollution has been taking place on a large scale. Some of these waterborne diseases are typhoid, cholera, paratyphoid fever, dysentery, jaundice, and malaria. Chemicals in the water also have negative effects on our health. Pesticides can damage the nervous system and cause cancer because of carbonates and organosphere that may contain. Both surface and groundwater bodies are polluted to the great extent. இதோட உங்களுக்கு இந்த லெசனோட புக் பேக் எக்ஸசைஸ் எவால்யூஷன் பார்ட் ஃபினிஷ் ஆகுது. Thank you for watching my channel.